How to create your VR courseware of object dismantling using VR Mysticraft. Check out the finished work first. This VR courseware demonstrates the structure of magnetoelectricity equipment. It helps students to better understand their structure and theory in detail with explosive disassemble effects and close observations. Now, let's start to create the VR courseware for object dismantling with explosive disassemble effect using VR Mysticraft. Choose and edit a suitable scene. Then, save and rename the VR work in your user space. Make sure the camera is at the best position for your work by jacking the camera and entering coordinate for fine-tuning. Choose objects from the resource library. Drag and drop them into the scene and place them in the right place. Repeat the operation until other objects are in the scene. It's better to rename similar objects to distinguish them. Adjust the position of the objects one by one according to the structure of the magnetoelectricity equipment. Check out whether the overall structure is correct after the assembly. Select appropriate audio resources from the resource library. You can also upload and use your own resources. Add front text on the logic axis, write content and adjust the style. Edit the time duration and displaying method. You can preview your work by clicking Preview button in the left bottom corner and make improvements directly. Drag objects onto the logic axis. Add and set calculation parameters. Add and set calculation conditions as pre-trigger conditions. Set trigger as center, which means action will take place when the object is in the center of the view. Add special effects for the text. Add hiding effects to object and set trigger as enter scene. added movement parameters of objects to make the process of dismantling smooth and natural. You can set objects for close observation. We choose the slit ring as the example and added parameters for the observation. Add a tag to the slit ring and adjust its style. You can hide other objects temporarily for better operation experience. Adjust the start position of the tag and operate on other objects as well. Preview again to see if everything is perfect. VR Mysticraft. Create and apply. Immerse and experience.